for April 2 for my contribution. I already have this enhanced Apple IIe that I bought before retro collecting was a thing. I think I paid $20 for the computer, 2 floppies, the color display, mouse, image writer 2 printer, super serial card. Rupert, you better not be looking around for a place to... Anyway, I had surgery yesterday. I'm home recuperating from that, and I guess Rupert's going to help.
Rupert.
I paid way too much for this, but I've been wanting one for a long time. And I'm going to need my wife to help me because I can't lift anything because of my surgery. But
Alright, let me have this.
a Platinum IIe, which I have been wanting for a while. And I think the only thing that should be wrong with this one is that it does not have a minus key on it, so I'll have to get a keycap or switch or something for it. Thank you, darling. You're getting to have all my fun. Unboxing is the most fun part.
There we go. Got it.
Here's a box for you to play with, Rupert. All right. Let's see. It's not a very good packing job at all. All right. But there she is.
Alright, let me get the styrofoam off so and I'll pull it out for you. She's pretty.
Yep.
Alright, let me grab that box.
All right, hang on. Whew, this thing is filthy. It's going to need a good cleaning up. But it looks like it survived shipping. So this machine is very similar to this one, except the Platinum has a numeric keypad, and I believe, I'm not 100% certain, that the motherboard is, there's less chips on it. But this computer was manufactured up until 1993. Let's see, is this the 80 column card, or is that already built in? I don't even know. I should know, but I don't. I'm a little fuzzy on pain medicine right now as well. Looks like there's a printer card, and is that the disk controller? Thank you for the light, sweetheart. All right, I'm going to try to plug it in and see if it works with the assistance of my lovely bride. Since I can't lift stuff right now, let's take it for a test drive. This is going to be a little bit of a janky setup because I actually have...
I'm not comfortable with that.
All right, hang on a second. The soldering joint has gone bad on this, on the Apple monitor, so I have to get that repaired. So I'm using this PVM right now that I also use on this IIe right now and the Coco 3 as well. And I mentioned this computer has a special place in my heart because these are the first computers that when our school got a bunch of them, I got to skip classes in elementary school to go set them all up and put them together for all the teachers back in the probably 1990, 1991. All right, we can just move this one out of the way for now.
Okay.
Let me turn this off. Do a little side-by-side comparison real quick. My first Enhanced IIe. My new Enhanced Platinum IIe. And the Apple IIgs, which is fully backwards compatible, but also a completely different system in itself, of course. And yeah, I was right, of course, before. That is the 64K expansion and 80 column board on both machines. Back when Apples were easily expandable without having to buy a $10,000 Mac Pro. Now let's power it up. You know, I do want to make another note here. I thought that the Enhanced IIe had a different board. You know, both of these say, or I'm sorry, the Platinum had a different motherboard. These boards look the same. I wonder if, are they the same, or is this one had a different board put in it? It doesn't matter. Okay, self-test. So far, so good. Since we have all seen this, I will not film the whole thing. All right, my floppy EMU's in the other room, so I'm just gonna grab a disc here. It's probably gonna be, I know it's been done to death, but Oregon Trail. And that's a good sign. Okay, well, I think I can successfully say it works. I thought that the Platinum came with a different motherboard. Maybe it didn't. I'll research it, and I'm sure somebody will tell me. Anyway, but I'm happy. Just need to clean it up and repair that key at some point, but I'm happy. I've just been wanting to add one of these to my collection for a while. So, again, thank you to my lovely assistant, my wife, there she is, for helping me since I can't lift anything right now. But, all right.